Add purified water at the water inlet. In winter, mix the purified water with antifreeze according to the specified ratio. Fill the water level to the standard level. Connect the power cord. The P wire is the ground wire. It must be connected. L is the live wire. The blue wire is the power input. Gas is supplied here. Connect the power and signal wires to the wire feeder. The 3-hole connector is for the power supply. This is a signal cable. It connects to the back of the wire feeder. Install the screw spool by rotating it counterclockwise. Install the spools of thread. Tighten it again. Then install the wire feed tube. Align this end of the wire feed tube with this hole. Insert it into this position. There's a screw here. This screw needs to be loosened. Loosen it, then insert it. Then tighten this screw again, and then pry these 2 bolts off. The welding wire is fed through this opening. It comes out through the wire feeding tube. The welding wire is fed out through this hole. This is a loose thread wheel. Check for 2 grooves on the top of the loose thread wheel. The thicker groove should be on the inside. These 2 wire feed rollers must be installed in the same way. After installation, simply bend it upwards and press it into place. Press down on the wire feed wheel. Then install the wire feed bracket and remove the screws. First, remove these 2 bolts, then fix the wire feed bracket in this direction. Attach it to the welding torch. Tighten the screws again. Find the appropriate model and install it onto the scale plate. Loosen this part to install the graduated tube. The focal point is usually at the 0 position. The wire feed bracket and the welding torch nozzle are installed in this position. Then tighten the screws. First, turn on the switch, then press the emergency stop button, then press the system button. If the weather is relatively cold, first check that the water temperature is above 22 degrees Celsius before turning on the laser. After a red light appears at the muzzle of the gun, adjust the processing parameters according to the thickness of the carbon filament. The power is adjustable according to the process reference table. Turn on the wire feeder switch. The wire feeding speed can generally be set to 50 or 60. Both are adjustable. This is manual retraction. The welding wire is being pulled back. Manual wire feeding is typically done in continuous mode. When performing welding operations, keep the wire feed tube as straight as possible. This is the grounding, clamping, and soldering material clipped together. Press the button on the welding torch and check the position of the red light. Turn off the power to the pine needle machine. The machine's shutdown sequence is laser system emergency stop. Then turn off the main power supply. Finally, turn off the power cord.